This is a song I wrote about fathers and sons. It's kind of about a particular father and his son, but it's about fathers and sons. Father and son in the backyard, tossing that ball around. Doesn't matter size or shape if the color's white, orange, or brown. Yeah, father and son in the backyard until the sun goes down. Son looks up at the old man, says, "Daddy, can we go one more round?" Daddy, I'm gonna be like you someday. Daddy, I'm gonna be like you someday. When I stand in front of that crowd, gonna stay cool, gonna make you proud. Daddy, I'm gonna be like you someday. Son, I know someday I'll see you shine. Son, I know someday I'll see you shine. When you stand in front of that crowd, won't get too big, won't get too loud. Son, I know someday I'll see you shine. Daddy, I just love to watch you play. Daddy, I just love to watch you play. When you took the man in the bottom nine, I knew it was gonna be closing time. Daddy, I just love to watch you play. Son, I know you're gonna change the game. After you, things will never be the same. When we got those third quarter blues, it's all on you, win or lose. Son, I know you're gonna make the play. Jet, chip, wasp, and boom, you save the day. Just a father and son in the backyard, tossing that ball around. Doesn't matter size or shape if it's white, orange, or brown. Just a father and son in the backyard until the sun goes down. Son looks up at the old man and says, "Daddy, let's just go one more round." Fathers and sons.